Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss the gas turbine power plants, right? First we take introduction part. Gas turbines have been used for electricity generation in the periods of peak electricity demand, right? Gas turbines can be started and stopped quickly, enabling them to be brought into service as required to meet energy demand peaks. Small unit size and their low thermal efficiency restricted the opportunity for their wider use for electricity generation. Actually, they are used when demand are high, like in summer season, demand of electricity is high. So for that period of time, we can use, right. The thing is that we do not use for long run, right, because in case of winter time demand is very low. Generally these are for the demand compensation. Now what gas turbines are? So the thermal efficiency of the gas turbine is about 20 to 30% compared with the modern steam power plant, which is 30 to 38 to 40, which is less, right? So comparatively the efficiency is less, that is why they are not used mostly. In future it is possible to construct efficiency in the around 45%, that is the future scope. Following are the fields of gas turbine applications: power generation, aviation, oil and gas industry, marine population. A gas turbine is used in aviation and marine fields because it is self-contained, lightweight, not requiring cooling water, and fit into the overall shape of the structure. It is selected for the power generation because of its simplicity, lack of cooling water, needs quick installation and quick starting. It is used in oil and gas industry because of cheap supply of fuel and low installation cost. There are certain limitations also for the gas turbine, like they are not self-starting, low efficiency at part loads, non-reversibility, higher rotor speed, and low overall plant efficiency, which I have already discussed. So here you can see a diagram which I have taken from some source. Inlet section, compressor, combustion system, turbine, exhaust system, exhaust diffuser, all are shown, and their sequence also shown here. First air compressor, the inlet air is coming in this area, then fuel burning, right, then combustion taking place, then hot gases moves to the turbine, then there is expansion taking place in the turbine. Because of that we are getting rotary motion. Some part of the energy is consumed to run the compressor, and remaining part is going to the drive the armature or for the electricity production, and the exhaust gases are moving out. So this is the cutout. So what gas turbine plants are? So gas turbine plant is defined as in which the principle of the prime gas mover is of turbine type, right, is of turbine type, and the working medium is a permanent gas. Simple gas turbine plant consists of number 1 turbine, compressor, combustion and auxiliary device like starting device, pump fuel, right, oil system and duct system. The working fluid is compressed in a compressor which is generally rotary. Multi-staging is done, which I have already seen in this diagram. You can see what kind of system are there, right, and heat is added to the compressed fluid in the combustion chamber. This high energy fluid at high temperature and pressure then expand in a turbine, thereby generating power. Part of the energy generated is consumed in driving compressor and machinery. So these are the things which I have already discussed. I have also mentioned here, right. You can see the diagram, schematic diagram of arrangement of simple gas turbine power plant. So compressor is there, turbine is there, both are connected with coupling, right. Compressor is run by the gas turbine. Now air is coming in. First initially it is filtered, then compressed. After compression the heat is added in combustion chamber by burning of the fuel. Then the gas is at high pressure, high temperature, and then that gas expands in the turbine, and finally the turbine is connected to the shaft, which is connected by alternator and starting motor, right. Now The thing is that the working cycle is Brayton cycle, right? Working cycle is Brayton cycle, which I've already discussed. So one working principle of a gas turbines are here. Air is compressed or squeezed to high pressure by compressor. Then fuel and compressed air are mixed in a combustion chamber and ignited. Hot gases are driven off, which spin the turbine wheels. Gas turbine burns fuels such as oil, natural gas, and pulverized powered coal. Gas turbine have three main parts: air compressor, combustion chamber, and turbine. Right. So the other things will be discussed in the next lecture. So for today, now, and I'll also try to discuss the basic cycle. Thank you very much for watching.